Hello folks, figured I'd give you a little Proteus controller unboxing because why not? As you can see, it's packaged really well. Nice thick looking box. And it feels like there's like a magnet here or something on the lid because it like snaps. Yeah. Snapping right there. It's pretty slick, whatever it is. So you open it up. Falls open really nicely. Packaging is well done. I mean, everything looks good here. Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. And so it's got like layers of foam. You can see everything looks really nice here, man. And these foams are like cut. Well, this first one's flat, sorry. So you got like your buttons, D-pad. What is this? Let's see. Oh, these are the things that you connect everything to, which is this is just wild. This whole system is just wild to me. I guess you got your dongle over here, which hopefully gives better speeds than, like a Bluetooth dongle or something, gives those good Wi-Fi speeds. You got your next box, next layer, which is cut into a groove here. And there's a groove down in there, kind of neat, how it fits together. And I guess you got all these different color buttons. And these little button caps with little, what is that? It's a cat? Is that a kitty cat? And we have some other kind of funky looking thing here. So you got all these buttons with these funky little designs on them. Or if you don't want funky designs, I guess apparently you can go with plain black, which is what I will go with because I'm bored. So let's put these back in here. I will begin the journey of putting this whole thing together. See, I like to play some shooting games like Arma. And in Arma, if you try to use an analog controller, you will get your butt handed to you post-haste. So I use mouse, and I've been using a split fish with my other hand. And the problem with split fish is you look at this and you think, oh, it's analog. It's not. It's WSAD. It's all or nothing. It might not seem like such a big deal to somebody, but for somebody who knows what it means to walk super slow, when you barely touch that, or to walk a little bit faster, when you're aiming at somebody over a great distance and trying to do that back and forth, having a real analog stick in that left hand can be the difference between hitting something and getting pwned. So they got these buttons that come in here as well. You got triggers with other little buttons down here. So a couple of those bad boys. Triggers with buttons, analog, which are supposed to be Hall sensitivity. So, and they've got all these different fittings on here, different angles, so you can really put this thing together in some wild ways. So, one Hall. So you got your other box in here, and I don't know what half of this stuff does yet. I'll have to figure it out. And then these, it comes with two of these, which are, to turn it into a controller. So you got one in each hand. So you can put that on, each side of it and make it into a controller, or you can have a one-handed controller, which is what I'm going for. Got your charging cable here. Is there really only one analog stick? Am I crazy? It can't just be, okay, here we go. Here's the real analog sticks. So there's two analog sticks here that are hooked up like that. So what the heck are these sick little things? I don't know. There's like this other little funky little analog, little analog deal. What is that? That could be really cool for like a a flight game as some kind of third, stick for strafing or something like that. But it's really neat that they would have that additional one. But the buttons feel very responsive, very springy. Hopefully they are as good as I hope they are, because for $400, it should be worth it. I guess this is where it plugs in and charges. This is your bottom one. I'm looking forward to really putting this thing together, and I'll probably post another video once I start making a little progress on that.